This is my ship, the Dragon's Pride. See, there's a dragon masthead. It's supposed to be in pirate times. Here's a masthead. It opens and closes. I like it like this. Over here, if you look in here, this is a plank with a rope ladder. And then this is a storage space. So there is several bottles of rum. Then this opens. You can get here, climb up to the plank, or you can grab on, close this, and climb down. And climb up and open it and climb. Then you can go through here. Here. This will make it easier. So down here. Okay, here. So you gotta go through here. There's like a tour. You close the door. You go through here. They have a little critters on board. Then this is the flag. You can wait. Just 1 second. We'll just do the lower floor. Then you go down here. You go here. And you can go down here. There's nothing special down here, but you can just put stuff. This is a grappling hook. You can throw it. See, it's very bad at wire things, so it's like this, very long. See? At the end there's a ball. It's supposed to be a cannonball with nothing in it. It's a hollow cannonball. This thing's falling apart already.
Okay, what's next? What about this?
What? Okay, so he climbs up here. This penguin with a spear. I'll show you the spears in a different video. There's a little look outside, the bird's nest. Then diving down. Whee. Okay, back here. So there are 6 on each side. Wait, no, 1, 2, 3. There's 4 on each side. I went over here, but there's 2 blocked by duct tape. That doesn't matter. So look over here. 2 right here. Right? Okay. 2 right here. Right there and right there. Well, no problem. You can just go through this doorway. Trapdoor right there. I can close it and open it. Then there's this trapdoor right here. You can see the lines. And then right here and here, there's bombs that will go out. I copied this from Assassin's Creed.
What's the name of the ship?
This is a Dragon's Pride. Did I say that like in the first words?
I don't know.
Oh, so there's a wheel. A little tiny, so you need a step stool or jump. Then we go down here. Then, well, I guess that's it. Anything I missed?
I don't think so.